Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishtalfaz Kaula from grade 12. Well, as you know, I am in grade 12. So today I will tell you what is success and from where it comes. First, I will tell you what is success. Success means a goal. When we achieve a goal, that goal is our success. Now I will tell you how it comes. We can take success. Success comes to us like we travel to other places. First we see its where is it, then we go. If we want to see its way, then we can't go. That like this, we can't go to success until we see its way, how we can get it and how it is in our way. Now I will tell you how we can achieve success. Success means a goal. Well, I have tell you what is it, so I will tell how it comes. I am giving you an example. When you have to pass exams, first you do its practice, studying, then you pass the exam, you get your number that you are first, second, third. That is our goal. When we got first, it doesn't matter if you are last at every exam, but if you believe in yourself, you can achieve every goal in your life. Thank you.